So my project scenario is intelligent volleyball scheduling. So the SK hosts a volleyball competition between different procs during each model community fiesta. So they want a schedule in which there are no rematch and each team plays every other team once. So the SK requests a C++ program that will automatically come up with the schedule. The program will generate matchup using combination without repetition instead of listing all combinations. Through the program will now take into account the relative strength of the teams. Each product will give an objective assessment of how strong their teams is on their scale from 1 to 10 weaknesses to strongest. The program must consider the following. So, input the number of proc teams must now be set. For every exploratory team, two variables will be accounted: the name of the team, otherwise known as the proc name, and a rating of strength self-assessed by the team within the range of 1 to 10. A strict validation of input must be enforced so that an error detection can be carried out for the following scenarios: fewer than two teams, invalid input, two or more teams are needed. There is also the case wherein error team name cannot be blank is thrown when the team name is trending towards a blank duplicate team names. Error team name already exists. The rating, however, is invalid when the said rating is not from 1 to 10. Team name has an invalid rating. The rating must be between 1 to 10. For any errors caused by factors not directly controlled by the user, an unexpected error occurred. Cognitive reasoning simulated. The computer will use the team strength rating to schedule matches that would attempt to draw stronger teams against one another early in the tournament. The actions are representative of a simplified cognitive reasoning model. So, schedule generation converts the scheduling method into C++ lambda expression that would be duly carry out that schedule must rank teams by strength before making any pairings, hence ensuring that all stronger matches are played first. Output: present the volleyball matches scheduled in a manner that would be easy to read. Proc 1 versus Proc 3. The result could appear as follows. The sequence and differs slightly based on how the sorting algorithm is implemented. This is the volleyball tournament example. Ito yung possible na lalabas sa code natin. This example combines cognitive reasoning in the form of team strength rating and scheduling and lambda expression. For Bradley, into an applied project, it discusses abstract reasoning by tackling a real-world problem with a simulated cognitive twist. So this is the code. Try natin. So, i-run natin siya. So, enter the number of volleyball teams. So Purok 1, Purok 2, Purok 3, and Purok 4. So, apat sila. Wait. Hala. So, ulit. Enter the number of volleyball teams. So, apat sila. So, name of team 1. So, green team. Rate mo siya, for example, 10. The name of team 2, blue team. Enter. Rate mo siya, example, 8. Tapos, name of team 3, red team. Enter. I-rate mo siya, for example, 6. So, team 4, yellow team. Rate mo siya, for example, 4. So, this is the volleyball tournament schedule. So, nag-base yung schedule natin sa mga ratings. So, yung green team yung pinaka strongest na rating. So, siya yung mauuna lagi.